How to turn on precise location on your iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. At the top of the screen, select Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Now, scroll through the list and tap on the app you want to enable precise location for. For example, you might choose Maps, Weather, or any other app that's having trouble finding your exact location. Inside the app's location settings, look for the Precise Location option near the bottom of the screen. Simply tap the toggle next to Precise Location to turn it on. When Precise Location is enabled, the app can access your exact location instead of only an approximate area. This can improve navigation, directions, local weather updates, and other location-based features. If an app is showing the wrong location or having trouble finding you, enabling precise location can often fix the issue. That's it. You've successfully turned on precise location on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.